Hello, sweathearts. Welcome to tutorial 4, Follow the Leader by Wisin and Yandel featuring Jennifer Lopez. Let's get started. Simple step. We start with that right foot. It goes forward, side, 1, 2, 3 to change. Left, side, ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, pa, 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 ta, ta, ta. Now we're going to start with just some salsa arms to get started. But as this dance goes on, we're going to start adding our own arms and our own flair during this section. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pa, ta, 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 pa, pa, ta, ta, ta. I'll show it facing the front like that, and then with some extra arms. We go right and ta, 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 left side, again, right front and side, quick 3 set, pa, pa. We're going to keep going, we're going to add some arms. This is dancer's choice. Pa, ta, 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 pa, pa, ta, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, next, we're going to take it up. Right arm, right, left. And we have 4 hips as we bring the arms down. Pa, 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 pa. Repeat, right, left. And then we have 3 down and 1 up. 5, 6, 7, arms up on 8. We're going to go around, up top. We're going to bring to the shoulder level, around the shoulders. We're going to bring the hands down the hips. We're going to go around with the hips, and we're going to shake what our mama gave us, and shake, 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 and let that booty really shake there. I'll show that face in the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 times this time. 5, 6, 7. Arms, arms up, at shoulders, at hips, and shake that booty. Step, 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 step. All right, time for the chorus. We're going to have 4 jumps. We're going to go right, left, right, left. And we're going to jump side to side, and we're going to punch the same arm as we're jumping. So we go right, left, right, left. Then we go to the mirror, right, left, right, left. And we're just taking the body, hips front and back. We jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we take it low. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get crazy. 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats. Facing the front. Chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it low. 2, 3. Get around again. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back into that step. Front, side, tap, tap, tap. Left side. We have 8 of these. We're going to add some arms. Tap, tap, tap. Pa, pa. Dancer's choice. Or salsa. 3 more. Left. Pa, pa, pa. Right. Tap, tap, tap. And left. Tap, tap, tap. Good. Next we get a little tiny break. As we just catch our breath, we just take hands side to side, and we just tap the toes here. That's going to get us ready to take it around the world. Arms are going to go out and side, front and side. And we're going to take the right foot around, 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 and then left foot. And now as that foot's going around, the arms are going front, side, front, side, front, side, front, side. You hold here, ta, 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 ta. So depending on how long it gets you around, if you get around really fast, you got to stay here for a while. Otherwise, you're going to take your time to get around. One more thing, we're going to add the booty. So it's going to go booty, 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 booty. The more jiggle, the better. I'll show that face in the front. Our little break here. Catch our breath. Here we go. We go right around. 2, pa, 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 ta, 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 pa, pa. Left foot takes over. Pa, 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 ta, ta, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here. Good. We just came around on the left side. And once again, we're going to take that right arm up, and left, down. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. To repeat this, up high, shoulder level, at the hips, and shake, shake, shake for the chorus. Good, we've done that whole thing 2 times through the chorus, and we get right back into these little steps here. We can get around the right side, and then the left side we have something a little bit different, and I'll show that here. So we get around right side. We have 2 8s on the second time through. Left side, 2 8s, but on the end of it, it goes hot, hot, hot. And we give 3 poses, hot, hot, hot. And that's dancer's choice. Hot, hot, hot. Right away, it goes right back in. Arm, arm, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, arm. One more time. This time we get to go all the way down again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 3 times around the world. Starting to the left, we go 1, 2, 3. Reverse, right, 2, 3. Left, 1, 2, 3. And right, 1, 2, 3. Hold. Arms, shoulders, hips, and shake. Here's the change. We go hit, hold, hit, hold, hit, hold, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8, chorus, ta, ta, ta. So as we do the last one, we go shoulders, here, hips, shake. We go left, right, left, right, left, right, hold, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, jump chorus. After that third chorus, that's our final chorus, we go right back in with those little footsteps, with the optional arms, dancer's choice, and we do that through the end of the song. That's the choreography, let's dance it.